Okay, so you're worried that your flow sucks. Well, I've got a tip for you that really helped me out, and I know will help you out. It's a bit counterintuitive, but instead of focusing on your flow itself, on the way your flow sounds, the way you're hitting the beat, focus on the rhymes that you're writing. Focus on what you're putting on the page. Focus on how you're writing it. Structure your bars. I find that when you structure your bars and use rhyme schemes, your flow comes together anyway. It fits in the beat perfectly. So before I ramble on too long, let me give you an example just so you can hear what I'm talking about. So a structured rhyme scheme could help you flow in such a way like this. Hate on my bars but you can't even write none. Claim that you're hard but you can't even fight, son. Again. Hate on my bars but you can't even write none. Claim that you're hard but you can't even fight, son. I can guarantee you that if you can keep your rhyme structured just like that, following a specific rhyme scheme, keeping the syllables the same in the second line as there was in the first line, your flow will improve. And that's simply it. So start focusing on the way you're flowing, on the way you're writing your bars, and on rhyme schemes. Stop ignoring these things and just thinking your flow is gonna come together. But that is it for this video. Yeah, really short, but this tip is priceless. It will really help you out. If you liked this tip, then like the video, and if you're subscribed, thank you very much. Big up to you, big respect. And if you'd like to take a development a bit further and also help out the channel, check out the Patreon, links in the description. More content on there, much more valuable, more tips like this to help you improve as an MC or rapper. Well, with all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.